This is HP14. It claims to offer blazing performance, great display, fully user upgradable RAM and SSD slots at a very budget price. Let's start with the board. Says sand-blasted matte finish. Its polycarbonate body feels decently rigid, but don't expect the premium look and feel of an all-metal laptop. I do appreciate its lightweight, which allows getting a 14-inch Full HD IPS display with pretty decent viewing angles. Folks, in my opinion, they are better off hooking an external color-calibrated monitor to this laptop via the included HDMI port. Offer backlighting, which sucks. Its keys are large in size and they are nicely balanced. HP14 is powered by a 3-cell 41 watt-hour lithium-ion battery that comes with a 45 watt power adapter. The battery life is pretty impressive in my opinion. I was able to get around 9 hours of battery life while doing one USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C port supporting data transfer speed up to 5 gigabits per second, 3.1 Gen 1 Type-A port supporting 5 gigabit per second data transfer speed. There is one headphone microphone combo jack and an HDMI port that can drive a 4K monitor at 60 Hz refresh.